Right, I'm going to show you a little trick that will mean that you will always see content from one of your favourite pages. So if you never want to miss out on some of my social media tips, this is how you make sure you see my posts. And it's really important that you do this on business pages, because even if you like a business page, Facebook will not put all of that business's posts into your Facebook feed. It will only put a tiny percentage of businesses' pages posts into people's news feeds. So it's very unlikely that you ever see all the content from your favorite pages. But I'm going to show you a little trick to make sure you do see all the posts from all your favorite pages. I'm just going to share my screen with you. Interestingly as well, this works for your friends as well. So I'll show you how. So this is my business page here, Social Media Executive. Now, when I do a post on my page, it will only go to about 5% of the people that follow my page. And I've got about 700 followers on my page. So if you want to make sure that you see my top tips, the way you do it is you go over here where you've liked the page, where it says following, just here, there's a little drop down arrow. If you click that, as you can see here, when you follow a page, it automatically defaults. So Facebook will decide whether to show you a post or not. But if you want to see all those posts, you just click this button here, see first. Okay. Now, if you didn't want to see any of them, but you still wanted to like the page, you would just click unfollow. That means you still like the page, you've just unfollowed it. Okay, now that business page doesn't get a notification if you change to see first or if you unfollow it. So you don't need to worry about that. So all you need to do to make sure you see all your content from all your favorite pages is click following, scroll down and click see first, and you will make sure you see all that content. You can also do this on people's personal pages as well. So if you've got a friend who's constantly posting content that you're not really interested in, just pop onto their personal profile and unfollow them. You're still friends with them and they'll never know. Hope you found that useful. See you later, guys. Bye.